So here's the subject. So what I have done, actually, I brought a Realtor Contractor out here to do a little analyzing because she's actually going to do another floor plan. Hey, how you doing this morning? So she's going to analyze this for me, and I'm going to make a different floor plan. Even though I love this floor plan. It's 1880. Again, I love this floor plan. However, I'm going to find two things. You see this right here, this island? That's a 10-foot island. All right, I'm going to chop that down 8 feet just to give you guys an insight. So she's actually looking at the house for me, and what she's going to do is she is going to put a realtor touch to it and a contractor touch to it, just to change some things around. So it's going to look different when she comes and do her one too. So as you can see, you always analyze and try to make this thing right.
See what we can do better.
So it's just calling me. I love nitpicking this stuff, you know. Okay. Yeah, I got a porch on this one. So see, it's a bigger porch.